Get ready for a tour like no other as we take you inside Volkswagen's stunning production line. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the state-of-the-art technology and unparalleled craftsmanship that goes into creating some of the world's most iconic cars. From the assembly of the engine to the final inspection, we'll take you behind the scenes and give you a glimpse of the incredible attention to detail and innovation that sets Volkswagen apart. Trust us, this is one tour that you won't want to miss, so sit back, relax and join us as we take you inside Volkswagen's stunning production line. The experience can be unique when a vehicle is much more than your typical daily ride. Numerous Volkswagen vehicles, including the redesigned 2022 Jetta, the line's most affordable model, adhere to this design philosophy. Only some automakers in business have the same distinctive focus on luxury on a limited budget. Volkswagen vehicles have a lot of standard features, and there are always more high-end options available. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the production line of Volkswagen. Start-stop technology. We think start-stop technology is fascinating and would like to see more manufacturers use it. Engines burn fuel as they operate, whether you're traveling at 60 miles per hour, completely stopped at a red light, or stuck in traffic. The quantity of fuel burned differs in those circumstances, but gas is still burned. Have you ever thought of a way to avoid it? Well, start-stop technology offers a solution to this issue. Let's use the red light as a typical example from the real world to illustrate this. The engine will now be turned off when you bring your Volkswagen Jetta to a stop, but it will turn back on as soon as you let up on the brake and begin to accelerate. You will ultimately save more money by turning the engine off when it is not necessary to burn fuel. Amazing, isn't it? Interior design. The Tarok concept in a Volkswagen car is a digitally enhanced interior that points to a new direction for the pickup segment. The air conditioning control system and instruments are entirely digitally designed. The interior enhances the expressive exterior in terms of style and color. The color-keyed crossbar, which spans the entire control panel to the door trims, is the standout feature. The crossbar also incorporates ambient lighting. The crossbar's central cockpit components are an active info display and a 9.2-inch glass-covered audio system with a GPS device and climate control. The active info display has a display diagonal of 11.7 inches and a top-notch graphics display. Inside the crossbar, all the significant controls and indicators are put in a perfectly advantageous position at eye level. Exterior design. The clean, seamlessly merged surfaces of the wings and doors, as well as the new 22-inch alloy wheels as design, positively impact the aerodynamics in the lower section of the silhouette. The wheels, which feature 5 aero flaps in the style of a turbine, are flush with the wheel housings to prevent airflow interruption. The visually striking tornado line and the rearward sloping coupe-style design of the black roof in the upper section of the silhouette give the design its distinctive look. To reflect the extreme precision of the design, the tornado line is designed with a gentle undercut. The concept car's powerful shoulder section is located above the tornado line. Because of how the surfaces are divided, the line makes the car appear flatter and more dynamic. The roof is painted high-gloss black to contrast with the vehicle's body. The roof curves lateral line features aluminium resources, a shared future styling feature on many ID models. Newly added features. Volkswagen is pursuing new aerodynamic avenues with the ID. In Space Vision, the concept vehicle is given an even more exclusive appearance with a front end and a roof designed to allow airflow. The space-saving sensations efficiently aligned aerodynamics result in a drag coefficient of only 0.24. This lowers energy consumption while increasing range. As a vehicle like the ID, the progressive, all-electric model design takes on new significance in this context. Space Vision combines a large SUV's versatility and spacious proportions with aerodynamic efficiency. Air filtration, tri-zone climate controls. Nobody gives the air you breathe inside a car much thought, but it might not be the cleanest. Volkswagen has different ideas for approaching this, and they all receive around its tri-zone climate controls. Air filters are standard on Volkswagen vehicles, ensuring the best possible air quality at all times. This company excels at comfort. As a result, it offers a specialized climate profile called Gentle that aims to provide clean, comfortable air for those who need it the most, like children and those with severe allergies. Dual-zone climate controls are a common feature of new cars and are already cutting edge because they give each front row passenger access to separate temperature controls on their side of the car. All passengers in the back row of some vehicles can choose their levels of comfort thanks to the tri-zone controls, keyless locking and starting system. In recent years, wireless key fobs have become a necessity. Volkswagen's engineers created one of the best locking and starting systems available today. The key fob that you will receive as part of your purchase is where it all begins. The key fob will still function even if tucked away in a pocket or a purse. Your Volkswagen vehicle will recognize it with the key fob from about 5 feet away. We no longer give it a second thought as we turn our key in the door lock and press the unlock button on conventional fobs. The driver's side door now unlocks when the handle is grabbed as long as the key fob is on you. Heat your seat. Winter has no chance against the ID4 model of Volkswagen. The heated seats and steering wheel are standard. The car's unique electric resistance heater can be activated in seconds by tapping 2 fingers on the temperature slider, which is located on the inclined surface below the display. You can also specify that the heated seats and steering wheel turn on automatically when the temperature outside falls below a certain level. The ID4 comes with 2 seats of cup holders for front seat passengers, one visible in the center console, the other under a rolling cover. What's not so obvious is that those inserts are modular. The insert for the covered space and the dividers for the open holders can be swapped or removed in various combinations to customize the space for holding phones or other items instead. Additionally, the Discovered Pro touchscreen in the center controls most of the ID4 features and includes an easy way to access the features you use the most. Swipe down from the top of the screen to find shortcuts to your most used sections. Pressing and holding any icon on the screen brings up a menu where you can customize which functions you want to have quick access to. One step ahead, Volkswagen cars are unlike anything else in their price range. Everything about the Volkswagen experience feels luxurious, which you don't always expect from a car manufacturer. The base models frequently impress drivers and critics, but investing more in your vehicle will inevitably provide you with many advanced features. Overall, Volkswagen's lineup is strengthened by the features available. Volkswagen can guarantee that your vehicle will have the most advanced technology available by staying one step ahead of the competition. If you're serious about purchasing a Volkswagen, now is the time to act, as the most recent 2022 models, such as the refreshed 2022 Jetta and redesigned 2022 Golf GTI, are nearing completion. Volkswagen vehicles stimulate our interest in what the automotive industry has to offer. If you buy a new car this year, make it from this reputable manufacturer. With this, we come to the end of today's video. Please let us know in the video's comment section if you enjoyed our content. Stay tuned until our next video comes out. Goodbye.